Hey guys, so in today's video, we're going to talk about the difference between exact match, phrase match, and broad match when running Google ad campaigns. It's very important you understand the difference. A lot of people mix them up. So here is a practical application that I go through with a client of mine, explaining to him exactly what the differences are and how to utilize each and every one of them within the campaign. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, leave a thumbs up. If you have a question, leave a comment as always. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Cheers.
You have the keyword, then you have the keyword type. Uh, and so let's just say the keyword is car shipping, right?
Yeah.
And obviously all these keywords, we'll put it here like this. These are only targeting Canada,
Yeah.
USA in terms of the geo of the search. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So if the main keyword here is car shipping and the keyword type is, let's just call it phrase match, there's three different keyword types. There's phrase match, there's exact match, and there is broad match. Okay, still with me?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, perfect. So we'll go with type 1, type 2, type 3. Okay. So phrase match is usually the best performing for a lot of reasons. And so majority of our keywords, and Marcel, you can chime in anytime you want, are majority of them are phrase match. So for what phrase match means is, so for example, if the root keyword is car shipping, then phrase match will also show our ads to people who type in, let's just say, car shipping service, okay, which has the phrase, okay, car shipping inside this keyword. It's not necessarily our target keyword. We're not like trying to spend money on this, right? But just for example's sake, it's like because the words car shipping are in this search as well,
Yeah.
it's gonna appear as well, the ad.
No, I know, but I was just saying because I looked into it a little bit. If we let's say we make negative phrases, that's what I was saying. So like
Yeah, we already do that. We already do that. But let me just finish. I want you to understand the three differences, so you understand exactly like how this fucking shit works, and then we can build a plan. So basically, car shipping service, you understand phrase match. Now, exact match would mean car shipping as is would need to appear as is. Okay. So like it would need, the only way this ad would show it under exact match is if it's literally that, like with the same capital letters, every fucking thing about it needs to look the exact same, exact match. Okay.
Mm.
And then broad match can be, this is the worst one because it can bring you keywords that are like completely outside of targets. It will just use the word car and the word shipping and show like in any phrase. So this could show in also, for example, a keyword like um, buy a car, Toronto as an example, right? You see what I mean? The word car
Mm-hmm.
is in there. Okay. So similar concept. So we obviously do not want broad match. Now let me explain the differences between them as well. And I'm going to move this one here and I'm going to drag this one here. Okay. So reason why I want to start with exact match is because exact match has lowest search volume. Makes sense? It's the lowest because it needs to be the exact keyword, right? In order for the ad to show. Typically, if we did only exact match, then majority of we're not going to have enough volume in the campaign to show enough ads to bring in enough volume of leads. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So then this one is medium search volume, right? It has the medium tier search volume because it's pulling in our roots exactly how it should be, like in that sequence, but in another phrase as well. So as long as car shipping or ship a car or whatever that route is, it will show to other keywords that are also being searched specifically for that route, right? And then this one is going to obviously be highest search volume, right? Because it's showing pretty much anything with the word car, anything with the word shipping is going to show on those keywords, which we did. And remember, all within this geo. So whether it's exact match or whether it's phrase or whether it's broad, it doesn't matter. It's still going to show only to the people searching from these countries.
So guys, I hope you liked that video, and now you know how to run Google ad campaigns and when to select exact match, when to select phrase match, and when to select broad match. It's pretty simple, but a lot of people get it wrong. Now, once again, if you want the highest quality lead, you usually go exact match because it gives you exactly what you're looking for. But obviously, search volumes as lower, so you'll get less volume. But typically with campaigns, we usually run phrase match because it usually performs what we need in terms of lead volume and quality. It's kind of a good middle ground between the two. If you want more marketing tips and you want to learn more about how to run ads, how to do SEO, how to get more sales, how to drive more higher converting campaigns, then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel because we do go over a lot of juicy stuff and I'd be happy to invite you. So please do subscribe, like it with a thumbs up, or comment with a question below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.